Hi, this is Jelena. In this video, I'm going to show what I learned on how to tag, pick up, destroy game objects on Unity using JavaScript. First, what I did is I created this scene. I'm using two new additional sprites. I'm using the bird and the coins. The bird has the same properties, almost the same properties or components as the bowling ball and the bounce ball. It has a rigid body 2D and a collider 2D. Um, the sprites, the planks and the grass, they both have the edge collider 2D, and then the coins, they don't have the rigid body 2D, but they do have a circle collider 2D, and the is trigger box is checked. I will show you the difference when it's unchecked and when it's checked. When it's checked, let's see, this is what happens with the bouncing ball. It will pass through the coin. If it's unchecked, what happens is the bounce ball will bounce back. So we need to check is trigger. We are going to see the word trigger in the code that we're going to use for this project. Next, what I did is under assets folder, I created a new folder called scripts, and then I right click create in JavaScript, and then I named it coins because this code is for the coins. If we double click that, it'll automatically open the Mono Develop Unity software where you can edit the JavaScript code. So the first code that I typed is this part right here and these last two lines right here. In this case, the game object or the main object would be the coins, and other would be the bowling ball, the bounce ball, and the bird. So whenever those others hit the game object, this is what will happen to the game object. It will be destroyed or it'll vanish. And then this part right here, it's a message. Whenever the other hits the game object, it will vanish, and then this message will show. And I will show how that looks like. So again, these three would be the other, and then the coins would be the game object that will be destroyed or vanish. And then if we click the console tab, let's clear that and play. Vanish, 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 vanish. Did not vanish. And you see right here the message. That. So you can see here the points are different. Just 10, 8, 3, 10, 7. But in our code, it only says 8. So this is the code to set points to the game object. 8 would be the default, and in order to change, if you want to change that, since it's public, you can go and click the game object and then change that here. So this one's 12 points, this one is 10 points, and 10 points, this one big one right here is 99 points. What I'm going to show you is tagging game objects. There's a reason why this bounce ball was not hitting these coins right here. I'm going to show that again. The bounce ball is tagged as player, and the bowling ball is tagged as enemy, as well as the bird is also enemy. In our code or JavaScript right now, the enemy is the one that destroy the game object, and the enemy refers to the bird and the bowling ball. If I move the bowling ball here, it will destroy the big coin. Let's undo that. Undo move. There. If we want the bounce ball to destroy the coins right here, we should make a change to that code. And we can do that by changing this to open parentheses, and then we type picked up by, and then here we add another public so we can change it for no it's picked small p, case matters, picked up by, then string, and then player would be the default, but we can always change that. It's just the default. So in this case, player would be the bounce ball, and then the enemies are the bird and the bowling ball. So if we did not, if we did not change that, then it will be fixed to enemy. We need to save that so that it will work. Save. Then let's test it. What? Oh, I have an error. If you get that message, meaning you got an error in coding, you just have to add semicolon. Oh wait, no, not there. Here. String player. Let's see what happens. File, save. Oops, nope, that's not the issue. No. What did I do? Fixed it. The problem was I did not put a semicolon after player close quotation mark. And let's check if these coins will be destroyed by the bounce ball. And it works. So I created a prefab for the coins. I have two. I have the coin enemy and the coin player. So these coins would be coin players because when the player, this ball right here, hits it, they get destroyed or they vanish. And the other coins are the coin enemy, because when the enemy sprites hit those coins, they get destroyed or they vanish. I said earlier, you can choose who can pick up a coin, whether you can choose either the enemy the bird or the bowling ball or the player, in this case the bounce ball, you can do that by clicking on coin. For example, this one right here. This one is picked up by the enemy. Oh wait, no, it was a player. I changed it. Player. Let's say player. So the ball should destroy that coin, and the bird will just pass through it. Let's test that. Pass through, and the ball destroys it. So if we change that to enemy, then the bird will destroy that coin. And that is it.